being able to enter into a trade like that, right? And not being scared that I've made the wrong decision. Bro, literally like it had pulled up above internal liquidity into a point of interest. I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna sell it. Take profit here. I was just like, yes, sweet. Happens, 55 grand.
When I first come through, there was like, you could probably just count on one hand, you know, the ones that would be like, oh yeah, I think they might, you know, come through here, and
Yeah.
they're taking it serious. And now it's like, we've got 2 advanced groups coming through that are like,
My win rate over the last month is just above 92% win rate, which is fucking, like, that's insane. You know, when I think about it now in hindsight, it was like, why? Like, why would I do that knowing that these, you know, if I just follow my plan, these trades are something that I wouldn't take on my big account. Something that I've been, you know, really pushing in our mentorship is, you know, momentum, waiting for that momentum to start shifting. Not only are we looking for, you know, the change of character and stuff, but understanding the whole momentum of...
we did the retreat in Bali
Yes.
with everyone, and I think that was like a turning point, eh?
Yeah.
Or, you know, like a shift.
Yeah.
One thing I write down in my affirmations is my goals. My dreams are not goals, they're my inevitable.
What's going on, team? Welcome back to another Big Wick Energy podcast. I'm your host, Ree Huddy. Join with me, the mighty Jordan Jackson. The one and only. Yeah, we're going to be talking today pretty much just like over the last month, both myself and the bro, like we just fully locked in. Like there's been a big shift in our trading, and it comes down to like a few things which we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about the successes that we've had, the mindset shift that's, you know, created that, and hopefully you guys are going to get some knowledge off that, or whatever it's going to be. Hope you enjoy, get some value out of it, and yeah, let's get into it.
It's been crazy.
Oh, it's been a month, guys. It's been a month.
When do we start on a month, geez?
But I know. Yeah, it's, I mean, obviously at the beginning, like it was, what's the start of August?
Yeah. But I think just first, I think the shift came a lot earlier than just this month, eh? Like I think we've both spoken about it, and we did the retreat in Bali.
Yes.
With everyone, and I think that was like a turning point, eh?
Yeah.
Or, you know, like a shift.
Yeah.
It was like
A shift in like, this is real.
yeah.
Hey.
And so I reckon that's when it all started unfolding.
Yeah, like that whole,
The shift.
The shift.
I'm talking about.
yeah, for sure. It started to like expand the views, you know, like the people that came to Bali, shout out to all you guys, by the way.
Yeah.
It was a huge like mind opener, because you know, everything's online and everything's like, you know, this and that, blah blah blah, and then meeting people that are actually like, wow, you know, they're like excited to like do this, and that was crazy. And the amount of like focus that they had like during the whole time in Bali of, you know, just wanting to learn, just getting the practice in, and you know, things like that, it was, for me, it was crazy to see. Because I don't think of myself, you know, like it's like I'm the man, you know. But then these guys are like wanting the knowledge, and yeah, that was crazy.
That would have been, I think we've spoken about it before, like when I first met you in Auckland on that meet and greet, they would have been feeling like that 10 times, you know, 10 times over, because we're in the villa, you know, and getting to spend a week with you, which was pretty
that
cool
was crazy,
for them, eh?
Yeah, so that's like the start of it, and then everything after that sort of shifting, like just so you guys understand, over the last month, my win rate over the last month is just above 92% win rate, which is fucking like, that's insane.
That's crazy.
Like huge shift in terms of my thought process around entering trades, all of that, which we're going to get into. I've increased my account by 98%, like nearly 100%, like tonight, 100%. You know, like 98% increase in a month with a 92% win rate. Like that to me just blows my mind, but it also just reinforces the fact that everything that we did change, it was, you know, it's
it's happening.
Yeah. This is it. This is the big shift, you know.
But it's like, yeah, the proof is in the pudding, eh?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you're talking about your win rate and now what your account's growing.
Yeah.
Like, that's just the reflection
Yeah.
straight away.
Yeah. And everyone that's been, you know, following the Instagram and stuff, they're seeing it and they're just like, wow.
There's some
you know,
wild numbers.
it's some crazy numbers.
Some crazy
numbers. Along with that, just we bought a Range Rover as well.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
that was crazy.
That was cool,
crazy.
man.
Yeah. Just a little reward, you know. Just yeah. We need it anyway for the family.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's like, yeah, that's our reward for, you know, the discipline and
Yeah.
locking in, which is, you know, probably one of those bigger things when it comes to trading, where a lot of people get lost and a lot of people get stuck in the whole gambling side of things. Eh?
Bro, just on that, like rewarding, you know, with discipline, that's something that I've picked up, like from yourself, is like, obviously, you know, you see numbers that you've made in trading and stuff like that, but outside of that, like, yeah, you live a nice life, but you don't live like, you know,
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like where we come from and things like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, you don't go out buying, you know, all everything right now here and there. Like, you do treat yourself, but
Yeah.
I've noticed just over this year being with you that, yeah, you like to hit certain goals, and then then you go buy yourself a sauna or a new family car. Like, that's what I've realized.
Yeah, for sure.
Which I think that's massive, eh?
Yeah, just other goals, other investments that we want to invest into first.
Yeah.
Started buying a bit of gold.
Physical.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Started buying some physical gold. Got about just over 2 ounces at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So gonna go get that melted down,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna put the AI logo on it. Eh? Yes, sir.
And then you're going to hand each of your employees one?
No,
Little-
nah, not at all.
No, that's cool, bro.
Yeah, just things like that, bro. Like, don't need to waste money on things like that at the moment. But yeah, it's just the small things. I think I get like a lot more reward out of, like, next week I got my sister's family coming over,
Yeah.
and literally just been in a position where we shouted everyone,
Yeah.
and they don't have to spend money. Like, they're going to come over here with, you know, like, not saying nothing, but you know.
Yeah.
You know, and they just get to have a holiday, you know. They don't have to pay for the holiday.
Yeah.
They're just going to come here, relax, and enjoy it. So it's just the things like that, eh?
Yeah. It's funny because, like, in our community, we talk about like our whys and like why everyone wants to do it, and it always comes back to whānau, eh?
Oh, for sure.
And just
Yeah.
it's like things like that that you're doing for your family,
Oh, yeah.
just so you can have a full house, and that's gonna be wild, man. That's gonna be cool.
Oh, I can't wait. Bro. Have all the kids over, eh?
You're like that the way you love a full house.
Oh, I love it, bro.
Yeah.
Love it. Wanted all the kids.
Yeah.
Oh, nah, it's going to be cool, bro. I
Yeah.
love it. But yeah.
So just being crazy times, eh? Big month,
Big month, bro.
big win rate,
Big win rate.
big percentage gain.
Bro, that's everything that comes with it, though, eh? Like, that's the where you want to get in trading is just being at that level. And it's not like, you know, having a big win rate and the big wins. It's not like I was like, I need to double my account this month.
Yeah.
That wasn't the thing. It was more, you know, like we said, how we had that mindset shift of, I want to make this amount,
Yeah.
to, you know, whether that's profit or percentage. Like, scrap that. That's more, what do you call it? Outcome-based goals.
Yeah.
And so the performance-based goals of, I just want to be able to execute my entries and my trading plan on a daily basis. Like, that's my win.
Yeah.
This is
All right, that was a game changer, eh?
Yeah.
Like, talking to you about that, like taking away that percentage goal or the profit of, you know, I need to make this amount a day. With that outcome, if you don't achieve that outcome,
yeah.
then you lose belief in what you're doing, eh? In your system or
Yeah.
in yourself, you know, because you're not achieving those goals every day.
Yeah.
But if you know that you've taken, you know, performance-wise, you've taken what you've seen in the market, your setups, and mechanical, just bang, take it.
Oh, for sure.
win or lose, you know,
Yeah.
or you know,
Have
obviously.
you found that?
Big shift,
Yeah.
big shift, and like just being able to take take trades. Obviously, shifting into the bigger live account, yeah, just being able to take trades more mechanical, less emotion.
Yeah.
Because when you watch different like those numbers change, you're like, oh. I think another thing is like capital protection, like protecting
Yeah.
your capital has been a big switch up as well.
Yeah.
Not micromanaging the trades, but yeah, as soon as you see the market showing
Yeah.
signs of, you know, unfavorable signs, bang, protect capital, you know.
Yeah. Oh,
Is that what it's been like? Obviously, the
yeah.
size account there you're shifted into.
Yeah, that was a big mental shift, you know, shifting into that amount of money, bro. Like that was crazy. That was
Yeah.
crazy on itself. And like at the same time, I was like, yeah. Like my whole focus was just trying to protect the capital that I had. It's like I don't want to get like massive loss. I want to be able to maintain, you know, what I've been doing previous to that account
Yeah,
and just like exponentially just growth
yeah.
on top of that. So
Can we just talk about, like, people might not understand because we're talking about shifting into this big account. Obviously, it doesn't just come from the sky. Like,
Yeah.
you had it set up differently to get to, you know, this
yeah,
stage or this amount.
yeah,
What did that all look like prior to the one account now?
yeah. I used to have different accounts, and so
Yeah.
I'll just like diversify into different accounts where, you know, one of them would be my bigger account where
Yeah.
I just have lower risk.
Yeah,
One of them would be like my medium account where it'll be like medium risk.
yeah,
On that account, I'm sort of like, you know, 2 to 3% risk rather
Yeah.
than just 0.5% to 1.
yeah,
And then I'd have a smaller account where I would be risking, you know, just the riskiest trades. And so doing it that way, it just helped me, you know, keep my cool based on, okay, if I really just focus on this big account
Yeah.
and just take the best trades that I can, then you know, the other accounts are going to copy.
yeah,
But then on the medium and the lower one, if there was trades or like scalping opportunities that I'd be like, oh, this looks fun,
yeah, yeah,
then I'll just do that, like trading news.
yeah,
I'll just do that, bro. And inevitably, like, I think it was dumb. You know, when I think about it now in hindsight, it was like, why? Like, why would I do that knowing that these, you know, if I just follow my plan, these trades are something that I wouldn't take on my big account. So why take them anyway?
Yeah.
But
yeah,
it was more so like just getting that dopamine hit that everyone's, you know, sort of chasing.
yeah. Being able to open up your phone and go, oh, I'll take that.
Oh, bro, exactly.
But now with, you know, the account you have, it's like, I ask you, have you traded today? You're like, nope.
Yeah.
You know,
Like
and then-
I don't really care about
like
like
bro logs in for logs in and makes can we talk numbers? Yeah, because it's all over socials.
oh, it's already on socials, bro. Like, yeah. It's,
Bro wakes up for news. Makes
yeah, woke up for news last night. We can talk about that because it's on social media.
yeah.
3 minutes before news, hadn't done like any analysis pre. Woke up at 10:27 and 3 minutes later was news, and I just had a quick look. Analysis was, you know, saying this. There was liquidity down the bottom that I was targeting. Bro, literally like it had pulled up above internal liquidity into a point of interest. I was just like, oh, I'm just going to sell it. Take profit here. And I was just like, yeah, sweet. Happens. 55 grand. And I was just like, mean. And then after that, like it just shot up. And obviously when you expect it to take that low and, you know, close above, it's like, it's going to go,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
And then later on that night, I put another story up that everyone is now replying to. And that was a crazy number too. Like NAS had pushed down, you know, taken the lows, got rejection at a area.
Yeah.
And something that I've been, you know, really pushing in our mentorship is, you know, momentum, waiting for that momentum to start shifting. Not only are we looking for, you know, the change of character and stuff, but understanding the whole momentum of price action and where price is going.
Yeah.
It just gives everyone a better understanding of, you know, where price should be going. And so that was the same thing, bro. Had that momentum shift, pushed up, came back down. Solid entry. Like literally just worked down. I was like, yeah, buying that, and away momentum went.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
bro,
It just continued to
pumped.
step up. Did it keep stepping up and then did it pump?
Yeah. I think I got in at like, was it 23,600
Yeah.
or something like that? And it went all the way to 23,900.
Yo.
Like 300 pips, bro.
Oh, that's wild, bro. Wild.
Yeah, but that mindset shift has really been able to. I think the biggest thing though is just being able to enter into a trade like that, right? And not being scared that I've made the wrong decision.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's huge psychology, right? Like you enter a trade and you're like, oh, please go my way, you know? That's internal thoughts. But then on the other hand, like, bro, I went to a trade the other night, I think it was a PPI or must have been the night before that.
Yeah.
Entered a trade, bro, and literally I just entered, set my stop loss, and then I didn't even have a take profit, but I was like, momentum's pushing up, I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah.
Came back to it, and it was like, bro, like 3-4% up, and I was just like, I'd finished the game of chess. So I entered, went back and played chess, and then like that was like a 10-minute game, came back, and I was like, solid. Take it.
Oh,
Off
yuck.
to sleep, bro.
Yuck. Disgusting.
But yeah, like this whole week I just had a look, bro. P&L was at like 147k, and now it's like I know earlier on this year. Obviously we haven't been putting like a lot of content out, but earlier on this year, I don't know whether we talked about it in other potties, but it was sort of just, I was at the point where, you know, my goal was 10 million, right?
Yeah.
I was at the point where I was like, I don't have that belief yet, you know, the belief in myself that I can get there. And so it was like that whole change up of I need to be able to be this $10 million man before my account's going to get to that level where, but honestly now it's like, I'm there.
On ways.
It's there, bro.
Yeah.
Like it's inevitable now. You know what I mean? Like I feel like my whole that's the mindset shift, bro.
I like one thing I write down in my affirmations is my goals. My dreams are not goals; they're my inevitable future.
Oh, that's nice. You always come with that fire, right?
Right. And like just hearing you say that word inevitable, it's like accepted. It's like, and like going back on the our goals in that is controlling the narrative, eh?
Oh, for sure.
Controlling our narrative as much as we can. You know, obviously the whole universe will decide type thing, but you know, day in day out, we do our routine and we control our narrative.
Yeah, but that's all it is. That's literally all it is. And when I think that was that shift from being outcome based goals to, you know, your performance. Like you control what you do on a daily basis.
Yeah.
If you just focus on that, like executing your plan, and your plan is, you know, going to get you to that level, then it's inevitable. You know that whatever you're wanting to achieve is going to come. That's been crazy. That's been a big shift, bro. I've been loving it. Yeah. You've seen that too, eh?
Yeah, it's been cool to see the shift and just understand that. Like obviously becoming myself a full-time trader at the start of the year, I was like, oh, this is me. This is the life, you know. And then realizing there's levels and seeing you know, reach different levels. It's like, oh, no, we're not done. You know, we're not done here.
Oh no,
Like, you know, there's levels to it, and I think it's like any profession. It's like is it personal development? Like you're always just got to be on your game. Like, bettering yourself. You know, I know we talk about Forex replay, like FX replay, all that stuff. But that's literally that times 10. Like you always got to be looking at different things.
It's
the market
crazy.
different ways, like you have been.
It's just do you know what's crazy though? Like I tell this to like everyone, that's everything is market structure. But when you can start to see market structure with different perspectives, it becomes a lot easier to read. And, you know, like obviously institutions, their whole plan is to destroy the retail trader. You know, like they want retail traders to be entering and, you know, blah, blah, blah. Just having that that concept in my mind gives me like, I don't know, more patience, because it's like, this is very likely where everyone else is going to be entering. I'm waiting,
Yeah.
you know, and then something else will happen and it'll be like, yep, that happened, you know, it takes everyone out. And then, you know, it goes the other way.
Everyone.
And sometimes, like with that, you can't actually, you know, catch the move because
Yeah.
it happens too fast. Like there's instances where I don't catch moves that, you know, other people are reading and catching, and you know, things like that. But yeah, it's it's crazy, bro. It's just that thinking,
Yeah.
you know, the understanding of what their whole goal is, what their whole plan is.
Yeah.
And like talking to everyone about it, especially the advanced pods. But you see their development now from like where they were when they started to like where they are now. Like,
Yeah.
bro, it's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, I've noticed that like when they post, oh, looking at this, like looking at a trade now, and then you log on and you have a look and you're like, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like,
I'm looking at that now too.
Thanks for that. I wasn't looking at GJ, but now I am.
Yeah. I know.
Oh, but no, it's pretty cool. It's like, yeah, again, it's like the byproduct, of what you're teaching, what I'm teaching now,
Yeah.
of the education that you've put out there for, you know, the last few years.
Yeah, bro.
And it's just crazy to see even the shift in the community. Like when I first come through, there was like, you could probably just count on one hand, you know, the ones that would be like, oh yeah, I think they might, you know, come through here, and
Yeah.
they're taking it serious. And now it's like, we've got 2 advanced groups coming through that are like,
Yeah.
damn,
It's like 30 different people, bro.
they're
that
going to
are-
be like full-time traders,
Oh, for sure.
you know,
Yeah.
as long as you don't give up. That's the thing, eh?
I think they're in that space too now, like the whole mindset space where they're like, no, this is me. Like, I'm a trader.
Yeah.
You know, like they have that mentality that they know this is going to work, which is awesome.
Yeah.
Like, that's awesome. And yeah, like I was saying, like when it first started happening, bro, and like, you know, the whole education side of it, because we were only doing education platform at the start of the year, and then, you know, shifted into mentorship. But the whole mentorship side of it, bro, it's next level, man. Like,
Yeah.
being able to have guys that are like fully committed, like the chances of success, I think, for people that come through mentorship are way higher
Yeah.
than people just doing the education platform.
Yeah, I think so.
But you can tell from their knowledge, you
Yeah.
know, just from the trades and the questions that they ask us, or the analysis that they send through it. It's like, thanks, fella.
Yeah, it is like that, eh?
Yeah.
Obviously myself, like I came through the education platform, but then I also had the, you know, obviously the opportunity to be mentored by yourself towards the back end of the year and at the start of this year, and that was my turning point.
Yeah, nice.
Now these
Look
guys,
you now, bro.
and now these guys and girls are getting it from day dot, you know.
Yeah.
So that timeline, you know, obviously we all have different timelines of becoming a successful trader. It's just getting shorter and shorter.
Yeah.
Like we always talk about it, eh? I don't know if this guy.
Where
gets
was I
angry
when I
about
needed
it,
me?
or- He's like, how long did it take you? And you're like, you know, tell your time frame, and then I'm like, oh, a year?
Meow, meow, meow. The
and
bro was saying that last night. We were talking about like what I would do if I was to like start again, and obviously education. You know, like,
Yeah.
oh, get a job, education, and then like mentorship. And then he was like, "Who would you get mentored by?" And I was like, "Me." Like, bruh, like no one else, just me.
Yeah.
I'm getting mentored by me. But I don't know, like, not to be cocky.
Rates himself. Hey, you gotta do it, hey.
We'll see next year. We'll see next year.
Speaking of that, like obviously, yeah, big transition recently. Obviously, future goals, big movements, some ways.
Yeah.
What's next?
Gonna be entering the Robins Championship World Cup. Gonna be entering the Robins World Cup.
What is that?
Yeah, for those that don't know, the Robins World Cup is like pretty much like the Traders Games, or you know, the Traders World Cup.
World Cup.
You enter and then you trade for, you know, the quarters, and
Yep.
the winner is the one that makes the most net profit.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so I think last year, the winner did something like, I think it was 187% in the first quarter, 250 in the other 2 quarters, and then another crazy amount of percentage like for that quarter. So yeah, I'm going to enter that. The only reason I want to enter that is like I feel like I'm at that point where like I understand the markets on a deeper level,
Yeah.
and I want to be able to put my strategy to the test to, you know, sort of just see where I'm at.
Yeah.
See where I'm at, bro. Like, yeah, teaching
wild.
everyone. Well, yeah, I think it's more just like teaching everyone, you know, the strategy, and I know that it's gotten me to where I am.
Yeah.
Now being able to like show other people, and other people are having the success they're having,
Yeah.
and then, you know, it's over the last month, like just reinforcing that belief of
Yeah.
my strategy is you know, pretty rock solid.
Goated.
The goated. Yeah, I just want to try and prove it to, I guess, the world.
Yeah. But you're also the type of person where it's like challenge
Wow.
accepted,
Yeah.
you know, taken,
Yeah.
achieved, and then you're like, okay, what's next?
Yeah. I don't know whether that's like a good or a bad thing. Because it's always like, not that I'm never satisfied.
Yeah.
You know, it's not that I'm never satisfied. Like I'm happy with, grateful with everything that I have where I am. I don't know, like I just always like to have a challenge or like a,
I think it's positive.
yeah.
Like you don't become stagnant just treading, you know?
Yeah, treating
Oh,
water.
this is me, you know? You're just like bang, bang, bang. But the big thing from that is completing something first, eh? You know?
Yeah.
Not getting bored and moving on. It's like, okay, now we've finished this, completed. What's next?
Yeah, that's it. So we got that.
Yeah, and I think that's just how I see your journey, you know, through the education, you know, business side of things as well, and trading
Yeah.
is just, you know, you had a course, you know, then you had a community,
Yeah.
you know, and then we got the mentorship, and now you've reached a level with your trading that's just crazy.
It's yeah, it is crazy. I still wake up, bro, and I'm just like, what the hell? Like, I don't think I could spend as much money as I'm making. You know, like obviously I could if I just went and bought dumb shit. But you know, the lifestyle that I live, I'm just grateful that I could just go to anyone and be like, yeah, I'll just buy that, like buy that, buy that.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to come over for a holiday? Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you go. Or you know, like shit like that, bro. Like, yeah. And so that's crazy to me at the moment. But yeah, I guess the whole
Or like work dinners, eh?
yeah tonight.
That steakhouse, eh? Yo.
Oh yes.
Shock.
Oh, I guess it is a work dinner.
That's a stitch up, by the way. But you're welcome.
I can't say no off camera. But nah, yeah, bro, things like that.
Yeah.
Just so everyone knows, I was going to shout.
Nah, that's an inside joke. Always giving this guy shit, eh?
But yeah, so we got the World Cup, and then we've got something else in the pipeline. Pretty much just trying to build a team of high performance traders as well, you know.
Yeah.
So I think that's a struggle, or not a struggle, but that's a challenge in itself to get everyone to like, hopefully the level that I see the market. You know, for me to be like, you know, here you go,
Yeah.
here's the account,
Yeah.
and just trust that, you know, the trades that you're going in,
Yeah.
solid,
Yeah. Yeah.
you know. And I don't, because I think a lot of times when people go on with, you know, signals, or like someone else sends a trade and they're like, I don't know if I want to take that, you know. But yeah, getting to that level where we can build a level of traders where it doesn't matter. Like you could be at the charts and I could be wherever in the world, and then I get a message and it's like, bro, going into this, and I just don't hesitate. I'm just like, yep, sweet, bang.
Bang. Yeah.
And then just trusting you actually know what you're doing. I think that's like a big part of, you know, where traders struggle. And I've seen a lot of traders say it, that like they struggle with taking other people's things because they don't see the market their way. And you and I are a good example. We see the market's very similar, but we're taking trades based on different reasons.
Yeah.
Whereas, if we're all at this level,
Yeah.
it's not going to matter. And I think like that's been the whole goal with trading, like from the start.
Yeah.
Is I wanted to be able to create like a community or like a group where you watch one pair, I'll watch one pair, bro will watch one pair,
Yeah.
bro over here watch another.
Yeah.
And then, bro, it's like on a month, if you're making 25%, I'm making 25, the bro,
Yeah.
everyone's making 25%, which we know is quite achievable at this level.
Yeah, definitely.
Bro, we're just doubling accounts. Like
Yeah.
that's 100% every single month with the same effort of just 25%.
Yeah.
And I don't think a lot of people have been able to achieve that in retail space. And this is obviously the level of hedge funds,
Yeah.
so
That's a different game, eh? That's
different game, bro. Different game. So yeah, those are the two goals we have coming up over the next couple of years. But yeah, we've not reached the goal of like a $10 million account, but it's inevitable.
Yeah.
So everything else, it's just setting up for
Setting up now, eh? Not,
next stage.
Yeah. Always ahead of the game, brother.
You gotta be.
You're always cooking up something, hey?
Bro, the mind's just hey. And now that we have ChatGPT,
Oh, bro.
yeah,
But I've been on the receiving end of some of those, eh? Where you're just like this, got this, thinking this. What do you think, cuz? And I'm just like, bro, this guy just doesn't sleep. Like, he is just, always thinking, bro. Always thinking. And that's, like, I see value in that. Like, it's, again, not stagnant.
Yeah.
Settling for less, just always on ways. That's crazy.
Well, I don't know, bro. I don't know if it's like ADHD or like,
Yeah.
it's just I've always been like that. And my family will tell you too. Like I'm just always like driven to I don't know, just achieve. At the moment, like something that I really, really want to achieve, which is quite simple. Like it's simple when you think of it, but just getting to the physique and the fitness level that I want. Like being around me, like
I
how I eat.
I know statistics too.
Crazy, crazy, bro. Oh, yeah, those statistics are crazy.
No.
But like that's like a personal thing. Not only, do I want to do it just to prove to myself, that I have discipline outside of trading.
Yeah.
Like trading, investing, money, like anything, super discipline.
Yeah.
Eating, like training, solid. I can go to the gym.
Yeah.
Cardio. Don't look at me like that. Cardio, like, nah. Eating, I want chocolate. But it's funny because like I'll do my plan, right? Like breakfast, and then I'll have those meals for lunch.
Yeah.
My muscle chef sponsor me. Have those, which are yum. Like you get variety, you get to pick different shit. I can eat all of that, but then it's on top of that. Like that's accounting to my macros to a T.
Yeah.
But then I'm not doing the cardio on the daily, and then I'm not, and then I'm adding like chocolate here and there. And it's not just, I think it's like that sort of moldy mentality. It's like you get a pack of biscuits or like chocolate, and you don't have two.
Yeah.
You have the whole packet. Yeah.
Especially if they're chocolate, because they're going to go quick.
Oh yeah. Hey, gotta eat all of that. But yeah, that's just on the personal level.
That's pretty cool though on a personal level, like seeing you as a, disciplined trader, up there.
Yeah.
And then bringing into the fold, discipline around eating.
Ooh. Bro, I think like as a, like obviously doing like, what do you call it? Social media now. I think at the successful level, people view people with, the physique or, the fitness
Mm.
as like,
Oh, yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the pillar,
yeah.
you know, pinnacle, whatever the word is. But I see that as well. It's like, oh, bro's super disciplined. Like to be able to achieve that
Yeah.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
yeah.
I just want to at least once in my life have that level of commitment to something. Well, not something like obviously doing it through training, but yeah, I don't know. It's just always been a goal.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
But like for yourself, like where you're at with your trading and things like that, I want to know like your biggest change over the month.
I think the biggest change is obviously stepping into a bigger live account, and at first had that, probably prior to the month, but having that outcome based goal, you know, like
Yeah.
we're saying, like I was like, 3% a day minimum.
And just on that, like so people can understand, we traded in the morning and we won a fire gold trade
Yeah.
when it broke the high. Eh?
Yeah.
We won a fire gold trade and the bro. Fuck, what do you make? Like over 3K or something? Eh?
Yeah, $3,000.
In like half an
yeah.
hour. Man. And you know, like that in itself is like crazy. And then later on that night, so gold had broken the high, come all the way back down.
Yeah.
And then another entry prevailed itself and I entered that as well.
Yeah.
And then you were like, nah, I've achieved my goal for the day, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And I remember this conversation too, because I was in the sauna and then I was like, what do you mean you've achieved your goal? It's a setup, you know?
Yeah.
And then obviously we had that chat. So
Yeah, it was literally the next day we had to chat about it, eh? But yeah, no, that's just been a big shift for me is just feeling like you're a bit, that sounds weird, like a bit more in control, you know,
Yeah.
like of what the outcome's going to be, of the performance, I guess, of the result. And then just, a lot of mindset shifts.
Can you just speak on the mindset of that scenario though? Because I know that when we spoke about it, it was, you know, when we have outcome goals in terms of I want to win this much money. I remember you saying that I thought if we were just focusing on like percentage wise, it'll be like a different, you know what I mean? Do you remember saying that? Like on the outcome base, you know, focusing on percentage rather than profit.
Yeah, so I thought that was going to be, I thought that was a positive shift, was going, okay, I don't want to make, I don't know, $3-4 a day.
Yeah.
I'll just focus on the percentage side of things. Thinking that not seeing the numbers and just the small, you know, what you see as a small number as percentage would kind of shift me away from,
Yeah.
you know, the P&L kind of look.
Yeah.
But then you still look at it the same.
Yeah.
You go, well, what's 3% equal? You know, and then you're like, oh, you know, or I just lost 1% in a trade, and then it's like, you know, so yeah, just that in a whole is it's just flipped the script for me, completely. And just the word, like that conversation we had, and then just the wording of it has just shifted me outside of trading too. You know, like controlling like I know it sounds like, not control freak, but controlling everything as much as I can.
Yeah,
you know?
nice.
So again, discipline with my eating, my gym. I go gym every day, you know, or most days. But that's like part of my routine, you know. I've got to go gym, get that fix, and then.
Because you've lost a bit of weight now, eh?
Yeah, bro. Since Bali.
So that was like our shift, right, Bali?
Yeah.
Let the people know. Tell us those stats. Nah, it's solid though.
Bro, no,
like,
I was telling you, like I come back from Bali and I was 128 kilos, bro.
128.
128, bro.
What are you now?
114.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, bro. And it will probably show in the potties, like, you know, like it's crazy. Like I come back.
That's what, 14 kg?
Yeah.
Holy.
But it was,
nice, G.
But it was like, part of it was, is it like a little bit image? Like we were in Bali, we went to, you know, Fins and like, and not that I compare myself, but it was like,
we compare ourselves.
Yeah. But I want to feel comfortable with myself, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
And so I just saw it and I was like, nah.
Yeah.
I'm never gonna reach this number again.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And so I'm still got a few goals that I want to reach, health wise, you know, physical, and then.
That's mean, G. That's But that's the discipline and dedication in itself. Hey, like
yeah.
you do it in one aspect of life.
Yeah. And like for me, even like the way I start my morning, like I won't touch, like I'll look at my phone in bed, but I won't touch the computer until I've put pen to paper, And I'll do my affirmations and all those things, goals that I want to achieve for the day. And I think that's another like discipline.
Yeah.
You know, I can't just jump on and start looking at the charts. I've got to get that done first, you know, start my day with gratitude and
Yeah.
then it gets better from there, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so good. But you can see the shift too. Like I've seen the shift, not only in, the whole exercise side of things, but in trading as well. But not just trading performance, like that's amazing in itself, but also being a mentor. Like I've seen the shift in your knowledge that you're providing everyone as well, which is, I can see that level of it.
I think even like in that aspect as well, being a mentor, like I realized, I see you doing levels, and it's like, I've got to follow suit as a mentor, I want to be able to provide the best knowledge I can.
Yeah.
And I've got to acquire that knowledge myself first, so I can relay it.
Yeah.
And so it's just, domino effect really.
Yeah, nice.
That's how I see it. I'm fortunate enough to work side by side with you, and then I can pass that on to people in our mentorship.
Oh, for sure. That's what it's about though, we're obviously on the ongoing, achieving goals, blah blah blah, but end of the day, it's about passing on that knowledge to other people so they can do all of this stuff. So.
Exactly.
Yeah, just to wrap all of that up, team, like the biggest mindset shift, or the biggest shift in my trading has been able to see the markets in a different way, having a different perspective on what I'm trying to do on a daily. Like I want to, make this amount, I want to do this much percentage on a daily. I don't care about that. Like my 90 whatever percent this month, like there wasn't a goal. My goal was just to execute on a daily basis everything that I needed to do to make sure that I'm, doing that. So that's the thing that's changed my trading over the last month, and I'm sure you'd say the same.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
it's just
it's a game changer.
Oh, it's a game changer, bro. But it's just, I don't want to say it's easy because you're disciplined and everything, but
yeah,
it gets easier, when you're disciplined in the area.
Yeah.
Across the whole board, though, like we always say, being the holistic trader.
Yeah.
Got to try and be complete in every aspect in life,
Yeah. Discipline, people. Again.
And consistency.
Oh, let's go.
I think we said that in January.
Oh, bro, that's the year. Discipline and consistency. This is what it gets. But yeah, thank you very much, team. Hope that provided some value for you guys. Like, subscribe, follow, comment, something, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Ciao.